guys, Aaron Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm down at the Miami International Boat Show right here in Key Biscayne, and I'm having a great time. As a matter of fact, while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting new products to report to you guys on, and if I found something that's going to blow your hair back, this is incredible. I'm here with Libero with Padxpress. Libero, how are you, brother?
Nice to meet you. Thank you to be here for us.
Yeah, so you don't speak English, you speak French, but you speak very good English for a French guy. So I'm going to congratulate on that first of all.
I apologize before for my language, but I hope you understand what I speak.
It's fantastic. So you've got a product that I absolutely love, and apparently all of the judges at the Innovation Award here in Miami love it as well, because you won the Best New Product Innovation Award here at the Miami Boat Show this year.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Tell us a little bit about this product, because this absolutely blows my mind.
Okay. It's a product to restore the gel coat or the boat painting with color in one step, without sanding. We have do the product for everybody or for professional. For everybody it's very simple and easy. For professional, give a lot of fast operation.
Yeah.
For doing example, a boat about 9 meters, 33 feet, you do a 2-man 2 days at sanding and polish, and after they have nothing to protect, also the wax. And we have changed the component. We have think about water-based product with nanotechnology, and the nanotechnology gives a faster operation. For the same boat, 33 feet, you do 3 hours yourself or a professional.
Right.
I'll show you the product.
While you're opening that up, let me just make sure that I got this straight. We're talking about a boat, let's say it's 33 feet long.
Yes.
I've got one product from you, and if I've got any oxidation on my boat, or if I want to get back to the newish shining look that it was on the gel coat or paint, normally the process I go through is I do a gazillion amount of hours on sanding it, wet sanding it, and then you do the polishing, and then you wait a couple of months and the oxidation comes back and you're kind of where you were just not too long ago. Your product is going to fix that. Tell me how.
So, first I present the product. This is a foam. It's why it's so fast. There is the foam with the product inside, integrate, you know?
So I don't have to put my product on top of my pad or on my gel coat. It's already in there.
Yes. It's absolutely the innovation.
Okay.
The pad is on the machine. You put it on the machine.
Right.
And when you want working, you push on the machine and you have the product inside.
So the product is in there, you press down, you got the product on it, and this thing's going a gazillion miles an hour. And so now I don't have to sand it, because this is doing that whole job for me. This is taking that oxidation out of the gel coat of the paint.
And the shine too.
Yeah.
The process is, you push, you start, you don't go fast, and the nanoparticle coats the whole gel coat, and absolutely in few seconds you have the shine coming back. It's easy for everybody. And so you start and you never stop. When you need product, you push, you product go outside and you do. It's easy.
Will one pad take care of a whole 33-foot boat?
Yes, yes, absolutely. With a pad like that, you do all boats to 33 feet.
So both sides and the transom I'm doing with one pad. So I got a 50-foot boat, I get 2 pads.
Of course.
Nice. Okay, so we know what the problem is, and now we know how to fix the problem. What I'm interested in, and what really excites me about this product, is the next step.
Yes, the next step is the really innovation of this year.
Okay, I'll hold this.
Yes, it's no problem. This is a ceramic nanoparticle protect. The ceramic nano is the nano glasses particle.
Okay.
When they go together on the gel coat, they are like a film glass.
Right.
And the water can't enter. It's hydrofuge.
Right.
Okay. And the oxidation can't coming back immediately because it don't have grip.
This will then protect what I just spent all this time fixing for a year.
For a year, yes. For a year.
So you're putting this nano ceramic coating technology on top of what you just did, so nothing else can penetrate it. It makes it very strong, probably a little bit even scratch resistant.
when there is scratch, there is no problem.
Yeah.
They take a little bit abrasive 1500, they coat it just a little bit with the water, and they repair, they do a gel coat remove, the shine is coming back and the protect again. There is no problem, absolutely.
So
easy.
you're just changing out pads. You use one pad with a product to get the buff shine back, you use the other pad, put it on there just as simply, and then you put the ceramic coating on top of that.
Yes, and the concept is like that. When you use for one operation on the pad, you don't use a product and you don't have another pad. You take another product and you mix the product after, you don't have the result what you want.
Right.
The concept is when you have finished the first step, you put the pad and you take a second one, the ceramic, and you do. And it's any time clean. This is for this application and it's absolutely simple. For the boat, 33 feet, you do that, the ceramic, in 30 minutes.
Now, this is something that also I think is pretty amazing. This isn't just for white boats. If I've got a blue boat, an orange boat, a pink boat, a purple boat, no matter what the color is, you've got something that'll work for it.
Yes, of course. We have to, for that, the paint regenerant, color regenerant for boat like blue. Because the boat like color, it's very funny. But in 2 years after, the color is later like white, and it's difficult to remove it because when you clean a gel coat color white and you don't protect it, in 2 months after it come back, the oxidation, and you lose money and you lose time because and this is why we have to this reference for the color, and there is the first step like this one, and you protect with the ceramic.
So
and you have the boat.
Whether it's white or color, you got a product for it. And let me ask you one last thing, because this also fascinates me. What did you do with this vinyl?
Oh yes.
How is this all old and now new again too?
Yeah, it's this is for the big problem for everybody. They have the boat like semi-rigid or open. They have the simile, but the simile drink the water, the rain, and the rain come inside the foam. And the foam is included inside. There is a microclimate inside, and there is after I don't know the name, but it's
like a mold.
Yes, with the ceramic, before this one, you clean with the regenerated for gel coat. The vinyl come back like new, but it's absolutely amazing. When you do that, you don't imagine like that with a water base. Normally it's with acid or a technique, you know.
So the ceramic coating that you're putting on after you get the vinyl back to its original luster it's flexible enough. The bond is so that you can press down and come back, and it's not going to shatter like glass. It's actually flexible bonding technology.
This technology is very interesting for like the simile or the gel coat, but for the simile it's very incredible like the gel coat. When you do ceramic, usually it's with a little bottle and you leave a drop and you leave with a raclette. But you are a new man like me, you can leave the same eye of the gel coat of the simile. But you don't like good after you have a different. It's when you see that it's incredible.
Well, this is also the most important point that I want to make, Libero, because a lot of our viewers are going to go home and they're going to be like, the challenges of all of this work, I have to leave up to the professionals. I have to make sure that my guys at the yacht yard are doing this because they've got that trained eye. I can do this at home in a fraction of the time at pennies on the dollar compared to what it's going to cost me to have my professionals do it.
Yes, for the simile, for finish this concept, all people take this one, they remove immediately, they see, they restore, they see, and after they dry with the microfiber, just a second, and they do the ceramic on. But the ceramic is just pushing, you push, and the ceramic is there, and you pass the product on the simile on the boat.
It's simple as that.
You don't push, it's easy, it's so comfortable. But after that, the water can't coming inside.
Right. So
and
it stays
longer.
That's
why it's so interesting for the long time, because the problem for the vinyl or everything upstairs is when there is rain, but it can't go faster inside, and there is the I don't know the name, the microclimate, and the destroy the foam inside.
Right.
Sorry for my language for you, but it's difficult.
It's okay. So I love what you're doing.
Thank you very much.
And again, the judges love it as well. This is the Innovation Award 2019 for Best New Product. Libero, I need to know, if I can't make it down to the Miami Boat Show, where am I going to go online to find out more information about the product, and more importantly, where I can buy it?
Okay, for the moment you can buy it in Padxpress.fr. Padxpress.fr. We send by email. We send by PayPal, by DHL Europe, from DHL America. It's 3 days open, no problem. And after we do in factory in America, because we have a lot of big dealers are coming to see us to to be dealer of the product. And we want to do the product made in America with the staff, American people, and do you know?
So I got to tell you guys something. I've been at the Miami Boat Show 5 days now. It's taken until the last hour of the last day before we could clear the crowd out of this booth. They're selling out of everything so that I could do this interview. I believe in this product. You will too. Padxpress Current Affair. Padxpress Current Affair. Go there. Get the product. Try it for yourself. You're going to love it. Thank you.
Thank you.
And fantastic.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful, wonderful product. Thank you so much for inventing this. Padxpress Current Affair. Go there. Get the product. You're going to love it. We'll see you out on the water. Thanks, guys.